HydraBlur Primer is a multifunctional product that acts as a makeup primer and targets hydration to your skin. It's ideal for all skin conditions, especially if you are dry or dehydrated. HydraBlur is a lightweight, non-greasy formula that helps minimise the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and mattifies against oily shine. It's multifunctional, so not only does it act as a makeup primer, it provides intense hydration to your skin. It also has an incredible ability to blur imperfections and smooths your skin while providing neutral, self-adjusting coverage. You can wear it alone or underneath makeup to help skin look flawless and deliver a long-lasting makeup finish. You will use the HydraBlur Primer after applying your moisturiser and sunscreen. You will smooth and blend over your entire face and throat. You can wear it alone or follow with your makeup for a smoother, long-lasting result. To learn more about the HydraBlur Primer, click on the link, or if you need any advice or guidance around the Dermalogica products, please visit our website and click on Advice.